Merhaba, hi everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. Today I have a 4 ingredient, very healthy and easy to make strawberry ice cream recipe. It doesn't have any eggs or condensed milk, neither you have to use ice cream machine. I'm going to use a food processor for this. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 200 grams of heavy cream. It is one small package. If you have a bigger in size, you can add more. And third ingredients is half cup of plain yogurt. You can use also whole milk instead of yogurt. I have 2 full cups of strawberry. I clean them, wash them and put it in the freezer. The beauty of this recipe that you can make any time of the year by freezing strawberries when it's the season. It is about 400 grams. Take out your strawberries 15 minutes before you make the recipe and make sure your heavy cream, yogurt or milk also is very cold. First I'm going to puree the strawberry and sugar. Since my strawberries are frozen, it will begin to make a thick mixture actually with the sugar itself. At this point, if your food processor has hard time making it a puree, just wait about 3-4 more minutes to thaw the strawberries. So here you can see the beautiful color. No need to add food coloring. I don't prefer it. Just add some drop of lemon juice in order to keep the color a bit, and pinch of salt. Since these are little hints, I didn't count them as a main ingredient. Adding the heavy cream, and as a last ingredient I'm going to add plain yogurt. I'm putting the yogurt to a cup so I can get as much as heavy cream I can. If you want to put more air to your ice cream, just whisk the heavy cream separately and add to the ingredients in the last minute and mix it with spatula. You may need to scrape down the sides of the processor to get it smooth. I'm going to puree one more time. And my ice cream mixture is ready. It is better if your container you're gonna put the ice cream is on the freezer, so it will begin to freeze rather than melting. Choose a white plastic container you can freeze, and of course if you have an ice cream machine you can use that too, but since not everybody has ice cream machine at home, I'm going to use the second option to show you. Put your ice cream mixture in a freezer and after 1 hour take it out and scrape the sides. It will begin to harden but will be easier to mix. So break down as much as ice you can. This is the tip actually to get a smoother ice cream. After I mix it with a fork, I put it in a freezer again and do the same thing 2 times more. It will be more hard to mix with a fork at the second and third time, but you can do it easily with hand mixer. So here is the third time mixing it. I used fork and then use my spatula for it. After it gets to desired consistency, you can close the lid of your ice cream and take out from the freezer just 10 minutes before you want to serve. You can see the beautiful color. Since the strawberries and other ingredients are fresh and doesn't have egg, it is really a fresh taste, very healthy. And also I can scoop out the ice cream very nicely. I hope you try the recipe and let me know how it turned out. You can share the photos from my Instagram and Facebook account, Turkish Food Recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.